Can the dude make soul food? Well, we're going to find out. My buddy Bones over at Our New Cajun Barbecue gave me a soul food rub recipe. Tried it out, and I'm going to show you how I make them right now. To make our soul food, we need a spice. So I've started out here with 4 tablespoons of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of garlic powder, 4 tablespoons onion powder, 4 tablespoons chili powder. Now in here, there are 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, half a tablespoon of thyme, half a tablespoon of celery salt, half a tablespoon of basil, a 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Let's give it a good stir. And that is perfect. Now let's prep our ribs. For our binder, I'm just going to use some mustard. Now, just going to lay on our soul seasoning. It smells amazing. Oh, it's going to be so good. You can tell already. While the smoker was coming up to temp, I let the meat rest for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to put these ribs down on the smoker now for 2 hours at 225 degrees. I'm going to spritz them every 30 minutes. It's been about 2 hours. I want to take a look at this rib. It actually looks pretty good. I'm going to spritz it down a little bit. You know, in places I can see where the bone is starting to pull back a little bit. So we're going to wrap it in aluminum foil, and I'm just going to put some butter over the top to kind of keep that rib moist. And you know, butter adds a little extra flavor as well. Give it a spritz. Let's wrap this up. I'm going to put it back down on the smoker, 225 degrees for about 45 minutes. I really want to take a look at this. I haven't opened it yet. It's still sealed from before. Let's just take a look. Open it up. Oh, man. Woo! That is some warm. That's good. I think what our ribs need is about 15-24 minutes on the smoker with some barbecue sauce. Not a lot. Oh, yeah. Just cap it off with a little bit of that extra flavor. All right, I'm going to put this back on the smoker for 15 to 20. 15 minutes are up. I want to check the ribs out because I think they're going to be fantastic. They got great bend to them. They look good. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up on these. Like I promised, we got that close-up. Now, these aren't fall off the bone ribs, but they're starting to get to that point. They got great color. I'm going to let them rest for about 10 minutes, and I think it's time to try them out. Before we eat the ribs, I want to show you how juicy they are. I mean, just tender, look great. I really think putting that apple juice and water mix over these every half hour worked out great. Also wrapping it up with that butter. And then we use the barbecue sauce, and it's sugar-free. This entire thing is sugar-free. You keto folks, I think you could pull this one off. Let's try it out. Oh, man. Yeah. This is comfort right here. I could use a whole huge plate of them. Seriously. Even my grandson's over there wanting some. All right, so how we made them. We'll see you on the next episode. I'm going to finish these bad boys up because they're dang good.